establish himself with 2 feet in the field of play.
So St. Louis has a 1st and 10 at its own 20-yard line, trying to get Gurley going, and here he goes. Gurley across. We'll learn more on October 13th. Gurley, big run for Gurley.
Remember that Roger Saffold was injured, and his replacement Garrett Reynolds with a key block there, and then Gurley makes a miss in the secondary. He's looking around for Packers to catch him. They finally do, but what a huge play.
Running back Cunningham on 1st down. Gurley slowed down and fights in there. Gurley gets the call, finds a running lane. Gurley takes it across the 40-yard line for a 1st down, and he ran into Clinton Dix.